सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं. राम राम राम. Welcome to class 26 of learning to chant Narayaniya. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहस्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरो मम पाहि गुरो श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला जनकः शङ्करो देवः तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननम् पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We will start with the division of Dashaka number 13 and then move on to Dashaka 14. Ramya, you can begin the revision.
हिरण्याक्षं तावद्वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरूचे नन्दन् दनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव बलम् समायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् क्वासौ क्वासाविति समुनिना दर्शितपथः भवन्तं सम्प्रापद्धरणिधरमुद्यन्तमुदकात् अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्राशिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्ता मृधविधौ गदापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदः नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्धुष्टवियता मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुं निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
पूर्ति
गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिंस्तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवः गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहः भोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वन्दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिरे I'm unable to see.
slide, no,
like I'm unable to see the next slide.
Okay, I've changed it. It should appear.
I'm not able to see it.
Okay, Arjun can see it. Arjun, you continue.
ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमऋषिदैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदंस्त्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः महाकायः सोऽयन्तव चरणपातप्रमथितः गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा
Repeat the second sentence.
गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादप गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादप गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतदृशिभिः
वक्रादपतदृशिभिः.
गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्दामप्रमदभरविद्योतिहृदयाः मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम् त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः
Manaha is fine.
Okay.
I forgot the word.
मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्य मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये हिरण्याक्षवधन्नाम त्रयोदशं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
So now today we begin 14th Dashakam, which is related to Kapilavatara. 14 and 15 are. So this is the first human avatara, the Jnana avatara of Vishnu. This is in a very different chandas called Vasanta Malika, which is different from Vasanta Tilaka. We have seen Vasanta Tilaka into the 2-3 Dashakams before. So this is not Vasanta Tilaka, it is Vasanta Malika. The first and third padas, first and third lines have 11 letters. The second and fourth lines have 12 letters each. Anyway, we will see now. Arjun, repeat after me. Yes. Samanusmrita.
Samanusmrita. Samanusmrita.
Tavakangri.
Tavakangri. Tavakangri.
Tavakangri.
Tavakangri. Tavakangri.
Yugmaha.
Yugmaha. Yugmaha.
Samanuhu.
Samanuhu. Samanuhu.
Pankaja.
Pankaja. Pankaja.
Sambhavangajanma.
Sambhavangajanma. Sambhavangajanma.
Nijamantaram.
Nijamantaram. निजमन्तरम्
अन्तरायहीनम्
अन्तरायहीनम् अन्तरायहीनम्
चरितन्ते
चरितन्ते चरितन्ते
कथयन्
कथयन् कथयन्
सुखं निनाय
सुखन्निनाय सुखन्निनाय
समनुस्मृत
समनुस्मृत समनुस्मृत
तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
समनुः पङ्कज
समनुः पङ्कज समनुः पङ्कज
सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा
सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा
निजमन्तरम्
निजमन्तरं निजमन्तरम्
अन्तरायहीनम्
अन्तरायहीनम् अन्तरायहीनम्
चरितन्ते
चरितन्ते चरितन्ते
कथयन् सुखं निनाय
कथयन् सुखन्निनाय कथयन् सुखन्निनाय
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मा आह ओके
युग्मः
समनुस्मृत 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 समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मा युग्मः समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
once more
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा
समनुः पङ्कसं समनुः पङ्कज समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा
निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनम्
निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनम्
चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय
चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय
the whole shloka repeat it twice
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमान्तरमन्तरायहीनम्
निजमन्तर
निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय.
very good. I'll move on to shloka number 2 spurti समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिण छायभवः तदीयवाचा
तदीयवाचा तदीयवाचा
धृतसर्ग
धृतसर्ग धृतसर्ग
रसः
रसः रसः
निसर्गरम्यम्
निसर्गरम्यं निसर्गरम्यं
भगवन्
भगवन् भगवन्
त्वामयुतं
त्वामयुतं त्वामयुतं
समाशिषेवे
समासिषेवे समासिषेवे
समये खलु
समये खलु समये खलु
तत्र कर्दमाख्यः
तत्र कर्दमाख्यः तत्र कर्दमाख्यः
द्रुहिणच्छाय भवः
द्रुहिणच्छाय भवः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवः
तदीयवाचा
तदीयवाचा तदीयवाचा
धृतसर्गरसः
धृतसर्गरसः धृतसर्गरसः
निसर्गरम्यम्
निसर्गरम्यं निसर्गरम्यं
भगवंस्त्वाम्
भगवन्स्त्वाम्
अयुतं समाशिषेवे
आयुतं समासिषेवे आयुतं समासिषेवे
समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः
समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः
द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा
द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा
धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यम्
धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं
भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समाशिषेवे
भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे
Twice.
समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवन्स्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे.
Since there's just a new raga, I will repeat just the first two shlokas once and then we will go to the third shloka just for getting the tune. Tune is not so important, but just so that we have a consistency. Samanusmritatavakanghriyugmaha samanuh pankajasambhavangajanma nijamantaramantaraya चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे. Okay. So we'll go to shloka number 3, Vijay Lakshmi. Yes. Garudopari. Your voice is not heard. You have unmuted.
Garudopari.
Repeat it twice.
Garudopari. Garudopari.
Kalameghakamram.
Kalameghakamram. Kalameghakamram.
Vilasatkeli.
Vilasatkeli. Vilasatkeli.
Saroja.
Saroja. Saroja.
Panipadmam.
Panipadmam. Panipadmam.
Hasita.
Hasita. Hasita.
Ullasitananam.
Ullasitananam. Ullasitananam.
Vibhotvam.
Vibhotvam. Vibhotvam.
Vapura-vishkurushe.
Vapura-vishkurushe. Vapura-vishkurushe.
Smakardamaya.
Smakardamaya. Smakardamaya.
Garudopari.
Garudopari. Garudopari.
Kalameghakamram.
Kalameghakamram. Kalameghakamram.
Vilasatkeli.
Vilasatkeli. Vilasatkeli.
Sarojapanipadmam.
Sarojapanipadmam. Sarojapanipadmam.
Hasitollasitananam.
Hasitollasitananam. Hasitollasitananam.
Vibhotvam.
Vibhotvam. Vibhotvam.
Vapuhu.
Vapuhu. Vapuhu.
Avishkurushe.
Avishkurushe. Avishkurushe.
Vapura-vishkurushe.
Vapura-vishkurushe. Vapura-vishkurushe.
Smakardamaya.
Smakardamaya. Smakardamaya.
Garudopari kalameghakamram.
Garudopari kalameghakamram. Garudopari kalameghakamram.
Vilasatkeli sarojapanipadmam.
Vilasatkeli sarojapanipadmam. Vilasatkeli sarojapanipadmam.
Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam.
Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam. Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam.
Vapura-vishkurushe smakardamaya.
Vapura-vishkurushe smakardamaya. Vapura-vishkurushe smakardamaya.
The whole shloka twice.
Garudopari kalameghakamram. Vilasatkeli sarojapanipadmam. Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam. Vapura-vishkurushe smagardamaya. Garudopari kalameghakamram. Vilasatkeli sarojapanipadmam. हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्पुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
Very good. Only tune little bit. That is okay. That you will catch up very soon. No problem. Huh. So in between, now that maximum participants we have, I just wanted to show you some of the participants who did very well during the memorization tests. So all of the participants did very well. So I will try to show all of them. And just to give you all inspiration, all those who are attending the classes, just to give you all inspiration as to the age. So starting from 8 years old, we had up to 70 plus. So it is not that anybody cannot do it. All of them have given memorization tests. I know many of you are waiting for the Parayanam test, that is the reading test to come about, which will come after 25 Dashakams. But nonetheless, when you can memorize 5 Dashakams at a time, you can always do it. And even new joinees, if you have joined after 10th Dashakam, after at any point, if this is your first class or you've just been attending from 2-3 classes, it does not matter. Because as I've been repeating, it does not, this shloka recitation does not depend on some previous portion. You can start off from anywhere. So the next the test, which is going to be from Dashakams 11 to 15, you can participate in that, or from 15 to 20, or any part you can always participate. You can by heart and participate. So I will just show some. I hope you all can see my screen. So if you cannot see, just if you cannot see the screen, then just some panelists just notify me that you cannot see the screen. Okay. So I don't know if you will be able to hear the recitation, but nonetheless on YouTube it is there. So starting from you see some middle-aged people who are reciting, and then we have, okay, wow, right, then we have, so this Mama Rangarajan Mama, he is 70 plus years old and he has by hearted so well, he has memorized wonderfully well. So you just listen to the recording. He has given both Dashakams 1 to 5 and 6 to 10 the tests. So these you should just go through these recitations and get inspiration for yourself as to the different people who have recited. So these are this Priya and Mami, and then we have some. She is a doctor and she has recited, and not only this. So she is also 60 plus and she has also recited, and not only that, people from all over the world. We have participants from Singapore, Dubai, and the US and everything. So he is attending his college, he's doing his degree, and I just want to show you a couple of children who have recited quite well. So this is Prahlad, if I'm not wrong. Yes. So the one who is going to come up now next is Prahlad Ravishankar. Okay. Okay. So he is also recited very well. He has also by hearted from Dashakams 1 to 10. He has memorized. Then on the last day we have so this, as you saw now, is our panelist Vijay Lakshmi Mami, and then we have, yeah, see, so they're all only 10 or 11 years old. So it is not that young children can by heart very easily, and their parents just have to slightly push them, right? And then this is Samhita, if I'm not wrong, or yeah, I think so. Her name is Samhita, if I'm not wrong. The next one that is going to appear on the screen, and yes, okay. Now the ad is going to trouble me. But then again, we have Shankara Narayanan, who's also 10, 11 years old. So what I want to impress upon you is all of you will be able to do this. There is nothing that you cannot do. And everybody should participate more in the memorization tests and by heart this beautiful Grantham, right? This is Shankara Narayanan we have in front of you. Okay, right. I think I've shown most of the people. If I hope I have not missed, even if I have missed a couple of people. Yeah, and this is Arjun who also gave the test. Yeah. So the idea is all of you should, it is since 50 shlokas. I know we sometimes you might feel like we are going a little fast or something like that, but it is not the case. You get about 2 months to by heart 50 shlokas, which is close to 1 shloka per day. which is surely doable. And now that we are coming to smaller shlokas and it is not Sragdhara or Shardula Vikriditam, it should be easier to by heart. So that is just an encouragement. And some new attendees are asking if memorization test is compulsory. No, nothing is compulsory, and even the recitation test is not compulsory. This is all done as a arpana to Guru Vayurappan only. We all want to recite with devotion and with the right pronunciation. So both vibhakti and bhakti together need to be there. So with that, we will continue to the fourth shlokam of today's portion. Aparna. Yes. Stuvate.
स्तुवते स्तुवते
पुलकावृताय
पुलकावृताय पुलकावृताय
तस्मै
तस्मै तस्मै
मनुपुत्रीं
मनुपुत्रीं मनुपुत्रीं
दयितां
दयितां दयितां
न वापि पुत्रीः
न वापि पुत्रीः न वापि पुत्रीः
कपिलञ्च
कपिलञ्च कपिलञ्च
सुतं
सुतं सुतं
स्वमेव पश्चात्
स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वमेव पश्चात्
स्वगतिं
स्वगतिं स्वगतिं
चाप्यनुगृह्य
चाप्यनुगृह्य
निर्गतो भूः
निर्गतो भूः निर्गतो भूः
स्तुवते
स्तुवते स्तुवते
पुलकावृताय तस्मै
पुलकावृताय तस्मै पुलकावृताय तस्मै
मनुपुत्रीं
मनुपुत्रीं मनुपुत्रीं
दयितान्न वापि पुत्रीः
दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः
कपिलञ्च सुतं
कपिलञ्च सुतं कपिलञ्च सुतं
स्वमेव पश्चात्
स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वमेव पश्चात्
स्वगतिं चापि
स्वगतिं चापि स्वगतिं चापि
अनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
अनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः अनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै
मनुपुत्रीं दयितान्न वापि पुत्रीः
मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः
कपिलञ्च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात्
कपिलञ्च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् कपिलञ्च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात्
स्वगतिञ्चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
Very good. The whole shloka twice.
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
Once more.
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
Very good. Move on to shloka 5. Ramya. Ramya. हाँ. समनुः
समनुः
शतरूपया
शतरूपया
महिष्या
महिष्या
गुणवत्या
गुणवत्या
सुतया च
सुतया च
देवहूत्या
देवहूत्या
भवदीरित
भवदीरित
नारदोपदिष्टः
नारदोपदिष्टः
समगात्
समगात्
कर्दमम्
कर्दमम्
आगति प्रतीक्षम्
आगति प्रतीक्षम्
समनुष्यतरूपया
समनुष्यतरूपया
महिष्या गुणवत्या
गुणवत्या
सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरित
भवदीरित
नारदोपदिष्टः
नारदोपदिष्टः
समगात् कर्दममागति प्रतीक्षम्
कर्दममागति प्रतीक्षम्
समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या
समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या
गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या
गुणवत्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या
भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम्
समगात्कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम्
The whole shloka twice.
समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम् समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम्.
Okay, good. Next shloka, shloka number 6, Amogha. Manuna
मनुना
upahritancha
उपहृताञ्च
devahutim
देवहूतिं
taruniratnam
तरुणीरत्नं
avapya
अवाप्य
kardamosau
कर्दमोऽसौ
bhavadarchana
भवदर्चन
nirvritopi tasyam
निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम्
दृढशुश्रूषणया
दृढशुश्रूषणया
दधौ
प्रसादम्
मनुनोपहृताम् च देवहूतिम्
तरुणीरत्नम्
अवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम् The rakara over va before va was missing. I have added it now. I will correct it and post it. Dridha shushruषणया दधौ प्रसादम् मनुनोपहृताञ्च देवहूतिम् तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ
तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कद्दमोऽसौ
भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम्
भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम् भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम्
दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम्
दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् मनोनोपहृताञ्च देवहूतिम् तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कद्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम् दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् मनोनोप मनोनोपहृताञ्च देवहूतिम् तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कद्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्याम् दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम्.
Very good. We'll move on to shloka number 7. Spurti. Yes. Okay. Sapunaha. Spurti. Okay, Arjun.
Sorry, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Yes, you're audible.
Sapunaha, sapunaha,
Tvadupasana.
tvadupasana, tvadupasana,
Prabhavat.
prabhavat, prabhavat,
Dayita.
dayita, dayita,
Kamakrite.
kamakrite, kamakrite,
Krite vimane.
krite vimane, krite vimane,
Vanitakula.
vanitakula, vanitakula,
Sankulaha.
Sankulaha, Sankulaha,
Navatma.
Navatma, Navatma,
Vyaharat.
Vyaharat, Vyaharat,
Devapatheshu.
Devapatheshu, Devapatheshu,
Devahutya.
Devahutya, Devahutya,
Sapunastvadupasana.
Sapunastvadupasana, Sapunastvadupasana,
Prabhavat.
Prabhavat, Prabhavat,
Dayita Kamakrite.
Dayita Kamakrite, Dayita Kamakrite,
Krite vimane.
Krite vimane, Krite vimane,
Vanitakula.
Vanitakula, Vanitakula,
Sankulo Navatma.
Sankulo Navatma, Sankulo Navatma,
Vyaharat Devapatheshu.
Vyaharat Devapatheshu, Vyaharat Devapatheshu,
Devahutya.
Devahutya, Devahutya,
Sapunastvadupasana Prabhavat.
सपुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात्
दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने
दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने
वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा
वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा
व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या
व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या
the whole shloka twice.
सपुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या सपुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या.
Very good. Today is Puratasi Sanikkalame, as we call it. Puratasi is so it's a very holy Saturday. It is a good coincidence that we are able to start with Kapila Avatara today. It just so happens that we started Narayanam on Ekadashi and this on this today. And also I am surprised at attendance that IPL is starting today and still we have good attendance. So though the audience is different. Anyway, I will just repeat the 7 shlokas that you have learned today. Since the raga is different, that is, it's a little new raga, and it is a very nice meter, very different kind of meter, Vasanta Malika. So I will just repeat the 7 shlokas, and then we will take questions and then recitation by the students. Last time itself, in between, it got stuck, so that computer shut down because of some issues. So last week I couldn't do that. Anyway, we will continue today with this. I will recite now and then we will take questions. Samanusmritatavakankhriyugmah samanuh pankajasambhavangajanma nijamantaramantaragahinam charitante kathayan sukham ninaya samaye khalu tatra kardamakhyaha द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे गरुडोपरिकालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितान्नवापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात्कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम् मनुनोपहृताञ्च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवप्यकर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् स पुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा Vyaharat devapatheshu devahutya. So we will stop with that for today, and we will take some questions. I will put all the hands down. Now you can raise your hands for asking questions. Chitra Tyagarajan. Then I'll call Aarti.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
In that second sloka of 14th Dasakam,
Yes.
the fourth line, is it Bhagavam or Bhagavan Suamayudam Samatise?
So when we split, it is Bhagavan. So that is the Shabda. Bhagavan is calling out to Bhagavan.
Oh,
when we
right.
join together, it is Bhagavam Stvam.
So
That's how the
when you
splitting
pronounce
is.
that Bhagavam Swamayudam Samatise Solama. Okay.
Ama,
Bhagavam.
correct. Say it solubha, Bhagavam Stvam. No, Makaram.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mahodaya.
Thank you. Aarti. Yes. Ram Ram. Aarti.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Okay, Dasakam 14, Shlokam 6. So the last
Ha.
line, is it Drudha or Druda?
What is the question? Drida or?
Druda. Is Mahaprana Druda or Druda?
So the second Dhakara is Mahaprana. Dha.
It's not
Which
Dha.
other language?
Da.
It is Da is Alpa Prana. The first letter is Ta, Tha, Da. That is Alpa Prana. The second letter is Mahaprana. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha. The fourth letter of Tavarga. The first one is third letter of Tavarga.
Okay, okay. It's not the. It's not the. It's Tata. Okay.
Ha.
Okay, okay.
Dridha. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Panchanadam Swaminathan.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Ram Ram. Namaste.
Okay, Ram, namaste. More of a question on the storytelling. Is he following the Bhagavatam, the avatars, the order in which it is coming in, or he has chosen his own? Because Narasimha Avatara comes later, right? Hiranyakshan Vadam. Or is it the first one?
No, the Narasimha Avatara comes later. Varaha Avatara is the first Avatara in Bhagavata. He follows the same order.
Then how come the Hiranyakshan is killed when he was an Avatar, Narasimha Avatara, right?
No, that is Hiranyakashipu. That is his younger brother Hiranyakashipu. So they are twins. That's what came in the 11th Dashakam story.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't realize it. Yeah, thank you.
So that is in 24, Dashakam 24 and 25, Prahlada and Hiranyakashipu and Narasimha come there. Yes.
So it is after Dhruva, right? 17th is Dhruva.
Yes. Yeah. So quite after Dhruva. Yes.
Thank you.
Many stories in between. Yes.
Very beautiful. I think your rendering is fantastic.
Thank you. All blessings of elders. Thank you. Ram Ram. Nambiyur Giri.
So you are giving motivational and inspirational that way of all should participate in the memorization test by showing the participants previous 80s to 16 or something, so that we also want to participate in this motivational way. We want to appreciate your way of taking classes, so that I want to convey, and we are also motivated. Thank you very much, Ram Ram.
Thank you, Ram Ram. Namaste. Priya N. Then I'll call Venkateshwaran Gopala.
Ram Ram Mahodaya, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I just had one question about this last shloka. I put a question in the box also, and they said it is Sankulo. My book has Sankule, and I also checked this TSS manuscript, which is online. That
Okay.
also says Sankule. So I'm just wondering, is it Vanita Kula Sankule Vimane?
Can also make sense. That is, the meaning will become. It can be made sense of. The meaning will be. You can make a meaning out of that. But the SN Shastri book has Vanita Kula Sankulaha. So both will mean the same. Actually, it does not make a difference. So Sankule, if we say it will mean that Kardama was in between the bevy of women. And here it is an adjective to Kardama himself. So Vanita Akula Sankulaha Navatma. So both are pretty much, they give the same semantic sense. So there is no difference in meaning, but we will stick to this. Yes.
Patantara. Okay. And then the previous Dashakam 13, a couple of places I was wondering if this Sandhi is mandatory, because in the verse that you have put, no, when you recite it anyway, there is a bit of stress, but I was wondering if you have to sort of make that Sandhi mandatory. Number 6, that second line, should it be Tvayi Chindat? There is a double cha that comes like cha cha.
Yes, there is a double cha there. Oh, only for cha, that is a very special chandi. That is for the Mahaprana cha. Tvayi Chindatyenat. And some books do print it with a Alpa Prana Chakara in front of it. But usually that print is not there. But it is necessary because that second letter there has to be a guru for the chandas. For example, this has to be there. If this chakara we do not say, it will not sit with the chandas.
Okay.
If we say
so
it
then
as
it is the same thing even...
Yeah. The same thing with...
And then the same thing for number 9 also then, right? The first line, it's in that 13th Dashakam?
Yes, exactly same. Yes. If you say it as Tvachi Chando, then you see it does not sit with the other lines. Tvachi Chando.
Yeah.
So only if you say Tvachi Chando, only then it will go together. Because the Chandas itself is like that, and that's how it
Right.
is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Kalyana Krishnan. Yes. Ram Kalyana Krishna, I hope I have unmuted you. Oh, I have not. You are self-muted. Kalyana Krishnan, Ram.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh, good morning to you.
Yes, good evening. Thank you.
I've been listening to all your lessons for the last so many days.
Yes.
And I was trying to test myself on something. Having chanted with you for the last, 17, 18 sessions, I wanted to test myself to see, by going forward to 15, 18, 20th, and 30th, and 90th chapters, to see if I could pronounce it. It's very amazing that I'm able to do it quite good with very few mistakes. It's just what you're doing is not only good for the current stanzas, they're also good for the future ones without your help, unfortunately. I mean, it's great.
Yes. Yeah, so we just have to get into the idea of telling it along with those sandhis or splitting it where we want to. That just, it comes naturally when you already know a few, probably 100, 200 shlokas. It just happens naturally. We do not need to know the rules theoretically. Once it comes in practice, then you can read any shloka.
Yeah, I just opened the book and tried to read any shloka, man. It just comes just beautifully. I'm not praising myself. I'm saying I'm able to read it without mistakes.
Yeah, I understand. Yes.
Really appreciate it.
That's a happy feeling. Yes, I understand.
Yes, appreciate it very much again. Thank you very much. I know you're so busy with your artificial intelligence work and IT work and this on top of that. So my kudos and my appreciation on behalf of the people all around the world.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. All the blessings of the elders. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Nimu, and then I'll call T. Rajesh. And Nimu, N-I-M-U.
Yeah.
Yes.
Namaskaram. MP Nirmala Subramani, sorry, அது நிம்முன்னு வந்திருக்கு. நான் கொஸ்டினாவும் எழுதியிருந்தேன் ஆக்சுவலி. அவ ஆனா இப்ப என்ன எனக்கு அந்த இன்னன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா நம்ம தசகம் 14 அந்த 4th ஸ்லோகம் அப்புறம் வந்து 6th ஸ்லோகத்திலயும் இருக்கு. செகண்ட் லைன் மனுபுத்ரீம் தயிதாம் அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. ஆனா மனுபுத்ரி அப்படின்னு நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கீள்.
ஆமா,
எனக்கு அதுதான் புரியல. அது என்ன பண்ணணும்?
ஸோ ஒன்று நான் வந்து 2 கிளாஸ்ல, ஒன்று ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல அப்புறம் 8வது தசகத்தையோ 7வது தசகத்தையோ ரூலை ரொம்ப டீடைல்டா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். பட் திருப்பி சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு, பிகாஸ் ஏதாவது புது இருப்பா. ஸோ ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் ரிப்பீட் இட் ஒன்ஸ் மோர், பிகாஸ் இங்க தான் நிறைய பேர் கன்ஃபியூஷன் வருது. ஸோ த ஐடியா இஸ், இந்த அனுஸ்வாரம் வரும்போது when this dot comes on top and it is followed by some other letter, so this dot will change to the 5th varna of this varga. இப்ப தகாரம் இருக்கும் இல்லையோ, தத தத na, na is the 5th letter. So this anuswara will change to na. So அதனால மனுபுத்ரீன் தயிதாம்னு சொல்றோம். But if you tell it as ma itself, it is not wrong. You can say manuputrim dayitam navabi putrihi also, you can say. So both are correct. So that is why in the third line also, this anuswara would change to nya, because the 5th letter of chavarga, which is the following letter here, is nya. I hope you understand the rule. Yes, that's all it is. So it is quite simple. And that's how it will come. நீங்க சேர்த்து சொன்னா, if you tell it together, that's how it will come. You can't say kapilancha. You will say kapilancha only. The nya only will come.
Sure. Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Ram Ram.
T. Rajesh. Then I'll call Venkateshwaran Gopala. T. Rajesh.
Yeah. Namaste.
Namaste.
The 14th dashakam, 4th one.
Yes.
In the third one, kapilancha sutantvameva. I have tvameva, but is it swameva, tvameva, or is it
you have
patabheda?
Tvameva is also fine. Both will give the same. Swameva means yourself, self. That's also Swameva. Here Tvameva would mean yourself, which refers to Guru Airavan. So no meaning change. Patabheda. That's all. We will stick to Swameva.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Venkateshwaran Gopala. Venkateshwaran Gopala.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are. Yes.
Namaskaram. Sir, in this third padyam, that it is Garudopari Kala Megha Kamram, no? Or not?
Yes.
Megha Kamram.
Megha only. Kagha, Gagha, the first. Kavargat, fourth letter. Yes, Megha Kamram.
I just want a comment from you. Another comment from you. Sir, compared to the flow of shloka, that is, compared to say Lalita Sahasranama, how do you feel Narayani? A flow to memorize, if there is a smooth flow, like a river flowing. What is your comment on that? Comparing,
one thing is Lalita Sahasranama or Vishnu Sahasranama, they are just simply names. So they are in Anushtup. The whole stotra is in Anushtup. Starting from 1 to end is in Anushtup. So in that way it becomes simple. And we have also heard them names many times. We are familiar with the shloka. There are many factors that come in stotras like that. And so it becomes easier. You can go and Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkaraha or Shri Mata Shri Maharajni. There is some distinct to that. Here we are dealing with stories, and we are dealing with events, and we are also dealing with a poet who has a great command over the language, and he is bringing all the beauty of Samskrita over here. So in each dashaka you will find a very beautiful flow. For example, in this dashakam itself, if you see the first shlokam, you see that prasa samanusmrita means he is thinking. That is his smarana of something. The second line is samanuho. So the words look similar, but they are totally of different meaning. Samanusmritatavakangri yugmas samanuh pankaja sambhavangajanma. And you see this whole thing, actually he continues this across the dashakam, this samanuhu. See, the second shloka also starts with sa and ma. And Again, in the 5th shloka, he goes with Samanuhu again. And again, in the 6th shloka, it is Manu. And in the 7th shloka, you see it is Sapunaha instead of Samanuhu. So these kind of beauty he brings about, which you cannot see in Sahasranama, Lalita or Vishnu Sahasranama. You cannot see this kind of beauty. You will not see there.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So it's a completely different level of poem. That is for a different purpose. This is for a different purpose. Both said with devotion will lead to the same result of adhyatmika spirituality. Both are the same.
See, for example, sir, one more. See, for example, when you take Anatharama Diksha, there's Guruvayur Pancharatnam, Guruvayurappan Pancharatnam. It is so easy to memorize. It is so easy to memorize compared to Narayani.
That's what any stotra will be kind of easier because they just talk about the glories of the Lord. They will say he is beautiful, he is these are his qualities or something like that. That's how a stotra, ashtakam, panchakam, dashakams will be. But here we are dealing with stories itself, and Bhagavatam on top of that is Kavinam Nikasham Vadanti. They say that is it is difficult even for great Vidwans to understand Bhagavatam. So Narayani Bhattatri is summarizing that kind of a grantha. So he will have to use that kind of terseness and with the shloka, and that kind of difficulty will be there, both in understanding the meaning and the beauty of the verse. The literal beauty of the verse is like that. That's how it is.
Yes, that's what I felt, because the tongue-twisting shlokas are there in this. That is why the memorization part becomes difficult. That's my observation.
You're right. Yes. So you will have to put more effort. It is not as easy as Vishnu Sahasranama or Lalita Sahasranama. There is a meter difference. There are many differences are there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you. Next, Girija Vaidishwaran. Then I'll call Ardhanari. Girija Vaidishwaran.
Namaskara, sir. I understood the thing about what is this Dayita. That is 14th sloka, 4th one, Dayitan Navapi. So you said da no, that I understood very well. And then here also in the next line also, but in the third stanza there is this Hasitol Lasitan Nana Vibho. So the here la Vasha comes, right? This Vibho. So this nam and vibho, that will end in nam, isn't it? We have to read it like Hasitol Lasitan Nam Vibho. Is it?
So there it is actually a little only by pronunciation. Even by writing, I cannot show what exactly it is. Only for va and for la, there is a anunasika va and la. Anunasika means you have to use your nose to tell it. So assume you tell va as va. If you say or la. How will it sound? That's what you have to use. Ananau vibhotvam. Ananau vibhotvam.
Okay. Understood. So
in
how
Hindi,
do I
you can
pronounce
probably
this?
use one Chandra Bindu. You can use in Hindi. It is there. Chandra Bindu.
Chandra Bindu. Yeah. Chandra Bindu. Yes. Now this one Hasitol. How do I read it then? How do I read that one line?
Hasitol Sitana no vibhotvam.
No vibho. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Ardhanari. That is the last question, hopefully. Ardhanari. Ardhanari, yes. Or
Namaskar, Mahodaya.
Namaskaram.
I am Mrs. Anuradha Ardhanari. With my husband, I am also attending your class. We both are blessed to attend this class. So first of all, I want to thank you so much. One doubt with regarding recitation as well as memorization competition.
Yes.
That if we want to participate in those competitions, what are the rules? Will you please let us know that?
So one, I have explained the rules in just before I have announced the previous two exams, and it is not a competition. So there is no first or second prize. You will just get marks in the end like an examination or a test. So everybody can get first class and everybody can pass with distinction. So that is first thing. And when I announce the next set of tests for Dashakams 11 to 15, I will explain the rules again, and that time you can listen to the rules again.
Okay.
When I
recitation class, when will it commence? When
that will happen only after 25 Dashakams, because recitation anyway you have to look at the book. So we will keep it after 25 Dashakams. That when it comes, I will tell you.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyavadaha, Guruji.
Dhanyavada. So I think I have taken all the questions as of now. So I will put all the hands down, and anyone who wants to recite, we will just take the 13th Dashakam for a revision recitation. Any students, if you want to recite. Others can, yeah. Okay. So as usual, we have a lot of hands being raised. Hopefully I'm able to give some. Radha Ram Mohan, 13th Dashakam, Shloka 1. Then I'll call Vidzi 25.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
You can hear me, no?
Yes, I can.
Hiranyaksham tavat varadabhav. I think I lost the tune.
Hiranyaksham tavad varadabhavadanveshana param.
Thank you. Hiranyaksham tavat varadabhavadanveshana param. Charantam sarvante payasini jajangha parimite. Bhavat bhakto gatva kapatapatut dhirnarada munihi. Shanairuche nandan dhanujamapi nidan nindam stava balam.
Good. Repeat only this word, the one that I'm underlining.
Samvarte.
Okay, correct. Good. Second shloka, Vidzi 25. Then I'll call Shivakanti.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Samayavi Vishnur Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim Prabho Kashtam Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bigaditaha Nadan Kwasau Kwasaviti Samunina Darshita Pataha Bhavantam Samprapad Dharanidara Mudyanta Mudakat.
Repeat only this word that I am underlining.
Darshita Pataha.
That Pataha, in Mahaprana, you are trying the Mahaprana. That Mahaprana should come a little more as Mahaprana. Pataha. Tell Pataha.
Darshita Pataha. Pataha.
Yes. Good.
Thank you.
That's Shivakanti. Then I'll call Anandi Dehalisan. Shivakanti. You can unmute yourself. You are self-muted. Yes.
Namaskaram, Mahoday.
Namaste.
Namaste. The next
shloka number 3. Yes,
yeah.
Shloka number 3. Yes. 1 second. This not changing. Yes.
Aho aranyoyam mriga itihasantam bahutaraihi duruktair vidyantam diti sutamavajñaya bhagavan mahim drishtva damshra sirasi chakitam svena mahasa payodhavadhaya prasabha mudayungtha mridavidhau.
Fantastic. Very good.
Dhanyavada.
Well Dhanyavada. Umakriti. Or who did I say? Did I say someone? No, Anandi Dehalisan. Anandi Dehalisan. Yes. Then I'll call Umakriti. Anandi Dehalisan.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram. Shloka number 4.
Gada Banau Daitye Tvamabhihi Grihidonnadakadaha Niyuttena Kridan Gada Gada Ravot Gushta Viyata రణालोल्गौत्सुकीयान् मिलति सुरशङ्के धृतममुं निरुन्त्यास् सन्त्यादः प्रथममिति तात्रा जगदिशे.
Good. The flow is good and the recitation is also nice. You have to get over the Tamil pronunciation. So then the Panav and all, Pakaram should, Pakaramum, Bakaramum vera. Rendu Tamil pa இப்படியே ஆயிடுறது. அதுக்காக பா கீழே 1 3 எல்லாம் போட்டுக்கணும். அப்பதான் பாக்கும் பாக்கும் வித்தியாசம் வரும். இது கதா பானவ், கதா பானவங்க அந்த மாதிரி எல்லா இடத்துலயும். அப்புறம் தான் மகா பிராணம் எல்லாம் அப்புறம் கட்டாங்கிறதெல்லாம் அப்புறம் வரும்.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. V Rajan 2459. Oh, sorry, Uma Kriti and then V Rajan. Uma Kriti.
Ram. गदोन्मध्ये दस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवः गदागादात् भूमौ जडिति पतितायां महभोः मृदुस्मेरास्यत्स्वं धनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं मगाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि ददानोरुरुचिषे.
Good recitation. Konja Mahapranam should improve. So Karabhuvi, this Bhakara here, this Dadhano Ruruchishe, all these Mahaprana should be more stressed.
Karabhuvi, Dadano,
Ruruchishe. Bhuvi.
Karabhuvi.
Bhuvi. வயத்திலேருந்து காத்து வரணும். புவி அப்படிங்கும்போது
Karabhuvi.
பா அப்படி சொல்லுங்க. பா
பா
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வரணும். அது ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் வரணும். அப்பதான் அது மகாபிராணமா தெரியும்.
Okay. Thank you, Mahadi. I will try. I will practice.
Yes. Sure. Mandahasini after V Rajan. V Rajan, yes, you can recite. Shloka number 6.
ततच्छूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्तयेन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु वितुदंस्त्वा समतनोत् कलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Very good. Good recitation. Yes. Next, Mandahasini. Ram, Mandahasini.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Yes.
पवच्छक्रे ज्योतिष्कण लवन बदन वितुते तयो माया चक्रे विततकन रोषान्त मनसम् करिष्ठाभिमुष्टि प्रकृतिभिन्मिक्नन्दम् असुरम् कराक्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवतिहि.
Good. Then you can listen to the recording a few more times and better it. Good recitation, good flow.
Dhanyavad ji. Dhanyavad.
I didn't tell anyone. Meera R. Next, Meera R.
Yes. Ram.
Yes.
महाकाय सोऽयं तव चरणपादः प्रथमतितः.
Repeat.
महाकाय सोऽयं तव चरणपादः प्रमथितः गलद्रक्तो तादपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा प्रमदबरविद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्र सान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नाद्रध्वरतनुम्.
What is your name?
Shobita.
So you have to practice a little more with Amma, the Mahapranas, and okay, many times you have to repeat, then you will get better. Okay, good recitation. You're telling well. You have to improve on the Mahapranas.
Okay, Mahadev. Dhanyavad, Mahadev.
Dhanyavada. Mohana Sundara Rajan. Then I'll call Srilata.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Can you hear me, sir? Guruji?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Tvachik Chando Romaswapi Kusaganas Kushaganat Shukshigridam Tvachik Chando Romaswapi Kushaganat Shukshigridam Chaturhoto. Sorry, Guruji. Chaturhoto. Otarum grahu Srugapi Vadane Chodara Ida Graha Jitvyanti Parapurusha Karne Chamasaha Chamasaha Vibho Somo Viryam Varada Daladesheshu Pasadaha.
Deshepyupasadaha. Pa, it is not Sha, it is Pa here. You need little more practice. You are telling well, but you need little more practice.
Exactly, sir. Sorry, sir. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. We will try to give as many recitation chances today as possible. I will repeat once more from 13:1 to 10. Many people have raised their hands. So we will go once more from 1 to 10 after Srilata. Srilata, shloka number 10.
Namaskaram, Mahodaya.
Namaskaram.
Munindrairithyadistavana mukharairmoditamana manaha mahiyasya murtya vimalatara kirtya cha vilasan Swadishnyam samprapta sukharasa vihari madhuripo nirundyarogam me sakalamapi vatalayapate.
Good, very good recitation. Only the dhakara mahaprana you are missing. This dhakara, it is heard halfway, but it is not as prominent as the other mahapranas that you're telling. All the other mahapranas are very good. Only this dhakara.
Swadhishnyam, you mean?
Yes, correct.
Swadhishnyam samprapta sukharasa vihari madhuripo.
Yes, very good. So you're getting it. No problem.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Asha Vishwanath, 13. We will go reverse order. Asha Vishwanath, shloka number 10. Asha Vishwanath. Okay, I can't find her. Ranjani Sundar.
Ram Guruji.
Asha Vishwanath Nath. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Ram. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, shloka number 10.
First shloka?
No, shloka number 10. We will go reverse order.
Okay. Munindrairityadistavana mukhere moditam manaha mahistya murtya vimalatara kirtya cha vilasana swadishnya samprapta sukharasa vihari madhuripo nirundharogam me sakalamapi vatalayapate.
Very good. Wonderful recitation. Here, Vilasan, just stop it as Vilasan. This last is, there is Halant here. So, not Vilasana, it is Vilasan.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
Just stop it. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Next, Balaj dot. So who was the next one? I called someone. Ranjani Sundar. Yes. Then we'll go to Balaj. Ranjani Sundar. Self-muted.
Ram Ram.
Yes. Ram Ram.
Ninth
Sloka
slok.
9. Ninth.
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि घनश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोग्रौ शुगपि वदने चोदरयिडा ग्रहाजिह्वायं ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदाः.
Upasadaha, not daha.
Upasadaha. Okay, upasadaha.
Repeat only this word, the one that I'm underlining.
Jivvayam.
It is jihvayam.
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 Jihvayam. Graha jivvayam.
Again, when you're telling it together, you're missing the ha.
Okay.
Jihvayam.
Jihvayam.
Correct.
Jihvayam.
Correct. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Good. Thank you. Balaj, shloka number 8. Balaj with a dot. Ram Ram. Some people, if I unmute them, their name vanishes. Yes, Balaj.
Hello. Okay.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Mahakaya soyam tava pada pramiditaha kalatrakto vaktra tabada trishibi slakidahadihi tada tvamuttama pramadapara vidyodi hridaya munindra chandrabi studibiranuvat navaradanum.
கையில எந்த பாஷையில புஸ்தகம் வச்சுருக்கேள்?
தமிழ் தான்.
அது தமிழ் வச்சுட்டா கஷ்டம் படிக்கிறது. வேற ஏதாவது பாஷை வச்சுக்கணும்.
ஓகே.
ஏன்னா இந்த தகாரம் தகாரத்துக்கெல்லாம் வித்தியாசம் தெரியாது தமிழ்ல.
இல்ல நான் நம்பர் போட்டு இருக்கேன். 1 2 3 போட்டு இருக்கேன்.
போட்டுண்டாலும் கொஞ்சம் அது புரியுறது. ஆனாலும் அது தகாரமும் தகாரம் ஒரே மாதிரி ஆயிடுது நிறைய இடத்துல.
ஓகே ஓகே.
அத கொஞ்சம் சரிப்படுத்திக்கணும். அது நிறைய கேட்க வந்துடும்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. Thank you. Ram Ram.
Bhushini PV. Then I'll
Namaste Mahodaya.
Kamakshi Jayaraman. Yes, namaste.
भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो माया चक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरं स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः.
Fabulous.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Thank you, Ram Ram. Next is Kamakshi Jayaraman. Then I'll call Lakshmi Ravikumar.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, namaskaram. Tamil da vettindirukken. I will try my best.
Yes.
Tadashulam kala pratima rushi daitye visrujati tvayi chindatyena karakalita chakra prakaranat samarushto mushtya sakalu vidutam stvam samatanot galan maye maya stvayi kila jagan mohanakari.
Kari.
ஜெகன்மோகனகரி அதான் அந்த ரெண்டு
excellent.
புள்ளிக்கெல்லாம் அது வரணும் இப்பதான் கத்துன்னு இருக்கேன். I will slowly learn.
Yes. Otherwise, excellent suggestion. Very good.
Thank you so much for giving opportunity on a Saturday. Puratasi Sadikiழமை. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lakshmi Ravi Kumar.
Ram.
Maragadam.
Ram. Can you hear
Ram. Yes, I can.
Gadon marde tasmin stava kalu gadayam diti bhuvaha gada gathat bhumau jatiti paditayam ahaboho mridasme rasyastvam dhanujakula nirmolanachanam mahachakram smritva karabhuvi dathano ruruchishe.
Good. Only repeat this part.
Mridasme rasyastvam.
Mridu, not the. It is mridusme. Mridusmera. அந்த உகாரத்தை வந்து தமிழ்ல படிக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே ருன்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். ரு சொல்லணும் நான் இல்லையா? mridasme rasyastvam.
Mridu.
Okay, thank you.
Maragatam.
Vanakkam Guruji. Kada bhautaitye dvamabhigruhi donadaha yatte kridan khadaravottustaviyata ranalo Sukhyan miladi surasanke kritamamam nirantya tantya daha pratamamati tra jagadishe.
Very good. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Sai Ganesh Krishnan. Then I'll call Mukesh Bharat.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
अहो आरण्योऽयं मृगु इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्ता मृधविधौ.
Fabulous. Very good. Wonderful. We will move next. Mukesh Bharat.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Samayavi Vishnur Harati Bhavatiyam Vasumati Prabho Kashtam Kimitamiti Tena Bigatitah Nathan Kwasa Vidhi Samunina Chitapataha Bhavantam Sambrapat Dharani Taramudyantamutakat.
Only repeat the word that I have underlined.
Darchitapataha.
That pathaha is not coming.
Darchitapataha.
You are getting it. You just have to notice it and tell the Mahapranas. In 2-3 more places that is there, just notice and listen to the recording carefully and then recite.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you.
P. Padma. First shloka. P. Padma.
Hiranyaksham tava varada bhavadanveshanan param charantam samvartate paisi nija janga parimite bhavat bhakto gatva kapata patu dinarada munihi shanairu chenandan danujamapi nindan stava balam.
Very good. Wonderful effort. Very good. Okay. So we have finished 20 people today for the first time. Thank you all for the patience. I think 3-4 people have, at least 5 people have not got the chance. Anyway, next week we will keep going on and get the chance. Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Shubharatrihi Sarvepi Sukhinah Santu. Ram Ram. Thank you.